Alright, might be back at it again. So EMA down, QQQ. It's set. I'm going to buy 2. 612. Then I have the alert a little above it. Seeing a little drop. Sometimes do this, or I have both at the same screen. Breaking resistance good too. Put my stop to the break even. It was around 2.2. I go to 2.3. I'm keeping it a little tighter than normal, but I'm going to stay on this for now. It's dropping a bit. Normally I would have moved my stop here, but I don't want to make my video really long. Move a little bit up. If we hit PDL, it might take. I'm going to move up a little. I normally wouldn't move my stop like this. I'm going for more of a swing, but a little busy today, so it actually did touch it. So I'm going to lock in a little more. 2.5. That's doing good. 0.6. Oh, it's moving here. Stay with it. This is the goods ones. I don't know what accent that was. Just keep moving with it. We're below PDL. My stop is close to if it gets up to the PDL. Maybe here. Yeah, right here. Alright. It was 2.15 to 2.8.